Hey there, this morning I thought we would have a look at what an RDC construction site looks like. This is a renovation addition that we have going on in Whistler, Duplex, where we've added some square footage on the front. As you can see, the roof framing is complete and the roofers are underway. Site signage here. We do try to make sure we limit how much waste we create, so all the wood scraps, anything sort of shorter than 12 inches gets put in the bin. People can come and pick it up for free firewood. We have our recycling station here. Really important for us that we limit how much waste we create. Really neat and tidy job site here. And then site signage, safety rules, PPE requirements and all that sort of thing. Let's go inside and see what the office looks like. Just coming in, this is a pretty typical job site office for us. We've got our supply schedule. This gets updated regularly. WorkSafe notice of project, WMIS program into the site office here. This is our schedule. It gets updated every week. It's got all the work tasks, trades that are going to be on site. Keeps everybody on task and organized. A little bit of the brain trust here, site superintendent's office. We've got a place for lunch, and the guys have a nice warm, dry place when the weather's not very good for breaks and lunch. And then, of course, a planned reading table. Thanks very much for joining us today to have a tour of how our sites are set up. Looking forward to the roofers completing over the weekend and having this place buttoned up for Monday.